My G sharp on page 22. In this piece, we start with half notes. You can see that this note, the circle is not colored in and the stem is down. So it takes 2 beats, 1, 2, and then the second one is 3, 4. Make sure you rest your bow, you stop your bow here on the second line. You have 2 quarter note rests. So let's try this. Violins up. I'm going to put my first finger down on the F sharp first, then my second finger for the G sharp across from the short red tape right here on the E string, right? E string right here. Get my bow hold ready. I put my bow toward the frog, at the frog on the E string near the bridge. Here we go, counting after 4 beats, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. Up bow. Rest, rest. And then stop. Let's try that again. I'm going to now count loud the bow strokes, whether we're going down bow or up bow. Here we go again. Make sure you have your first finger on F sharp right here on the green tape, the short green tape, and then the G sharp is the entire whole step away from the first finger, not touching the first finger, across from the red tape. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, bow, up, bow, down, up, 3, 4, up, down, stop your bow, rest, rest, up, 2, down, and freeze for a few seconds as I watch the conductor or the leader of the class, and then put your violin down.